Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial content on how to enroll for online banking on Fifth Third Bank account. If you've recently opened up a bank account on Fifth Third Bank and you'd like to get access to your account using your internet with your mobile device or your desktop anywhere at any time, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Click open a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in www.53.com and then search. Soon after you land into the homepage of Fifth Third Bank, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface. If you already have enrolled for online banking, you can click on this login button direct in green at the upper right hand. Type in your credentials and hit login. If you've not yet enrolled for online banking, you can click on this open an account button. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. Now, once you reach to this page, if you're new to Fifth Third, you can click on this Get Started button and follow the instructions. If you already have an account, fill in your information in the text boxes that appears on the display and click Login. In order to enroll for online banking right away, click on the Register Now button at the bottom. This will open up a new tab. In this page, go ahead and answer the question in either yes or no. On the next page, make sure you have these informations ready in order to move forward. You'll need to use one of the following displayed at the top as your user ID. Make sure you have the informations that are displayed and then click on Login. Answer all of the questions that is being asked. Simply follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to sign up or enroll for online banking in Fifth Third Bank. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.